CO2 Lewis structure. Lewis structure of CO2. Okay, to draw the CO2 Lewis structure, at first we have to count the number of valence electron in carbon dioxide. Carbon is an element of group 4s, so it has 4 valence electron. On the other hand, oxygen is an element of group 6a, that is why it has 6 valence electron. But here we have 2 oxygen atoms, so basically we have 4 plus 12, that is 16 valence electron. This 16 valence electron has 2 tasks. The first task is to connect these 3 elements, and the second task is to satisfy the octet of these 3 elements. We can also count the valence electron from the electronic configuration of carbon and sulfur. In carbon we have 2 plus 2 4 valence electron, and in oxygen we have 2 plus 4 valence electron. From the electronic configuration, to determine the valence electron from the electronic configuration, at first you have to select the valency shell. Valency shell is the outermost shell. For carbon here second shell, and for oxygen also the second shell. And the number present in valency shell are called valence electrons. So carbon has 4 valence electron and oxygen has 6 valence electron. So this 16 valence electron at first connect these 3 elements. So carbon is the central atom because it is least electronegative than oxygen. So let us connect these 3 atoms first. Then we have used 4 valence electron to connect, so we have 12 valence electron left. Out of 12 valence electron, we have to put here 6 valence electron to satisfy the octet of outer atom first. So this oxygen has 2, so this can take maximum 6. So if you deduct 6, then you will have 6 left. So this oxygen will also take 6. Now this oxygen has 8 valence electron. This oxygen also has 8 valence electron, but this carbon has 4 valence electron. So to fulfill the octet of carbon, let us move the lone pair electrons or unshared electron as shared electrons. These are shared, these are unshared, and we have to we have to take unshared electron as shared electron equally from both oxygen, right? So basically we are getting now this. We are getting this structure. Look, in this structure carbon has now, look, 8 valence electron, right? And this oxygen also has 8 valence electron, and this oxygen also has 8 valence electron. So this is the Lewis structure of CO2 or carbon dioxide, right? Now let me show you the formal charge of each atom for this structure. Okay, look, formal charge equal to valence electron minus unshared electrons minus half of shared electron, right? Formal charge equal to valence electron minus unshared electron minus shared electron. Okay, this is the shortcut formula, and this is the best formula. Look, remember this: formal charge equal to valence electron of atom in free state minus unshared electron minus half of shared electron. For this oxygen, look, for this oxygen, valence electron of oxygen in free state is 6, because oxygen is an element of group 6, so it has 6 valence electron, minus unshared electron. Here unshared electron is 2 pair, that is 4, minus half of shared electron. Here shared electron is 4. So we are getting here 6 minus 4 minus 2. So basically 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So this oxygen, the formal charge of this oxygen is 0. So let us find out the formal charge for this carbon, right? So this carbon valence electron, the carbon is an element of group 4s, so it has 4 valence electron, minus unshared electron. Carbon has 0 unshared electron because there is no lone pair. Then half of shared electron. This carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8 shared electron. So we are getting here, look, 4 minus 0 minus 4. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So basically we are getting 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So this carbon has 0 formal charge, right? So what will be the formal charge for this oxygen? This oxygen is an element group 6, so it has 6 valence electron minus unshared. Here unshared is also 4 minus half of shared. Here shared electron for this oxygen is 4. So 2 goes into 4 2 times. So 6 minus 4 minus 2. 6 minus 6, that is 0. So we are getting the formal charge for this oxygen is 0. So this is the best Lewis structure because all the atoms present in carbon dioxide has 0 formal charge, right? I have a blog post in the description box of this video. Please read that blog post to get more ideas. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.